What's up? We are back. It has been a few years. This is my first time logging on in a long time, and there are a lot of differences, like the fact that you can customize your skin or that you can get out of your car. Like, what is this game now? Making a little glitch here with all this added stuff, but we are gonna do a little bit of driving. This guy says something. Says he knows the channel. Whether that's true or not. Looks like they've... Whoa! Looks like they've done a pretty good job at creating this map, but the size of it is making everything just a little glitchy. But overall, looks like a fun map to just drive on, but there's not much for off-roading as far as I've been able to tell. Goodness. Looks like they've added a bit of a city. Quite a bit of grip on this snow. Just with the tire. Alright, I've arrived in the city, switched to the Camino. What we got in the city. Alright. A little bit of NPC cars, fire station. There's quite a bit of random cars, but looks like the props are doing a lot better than they used to. Especially with the city being an actual off-road map, or Off-Road Outlaws map, not being it's decent. We'll say I hopped on a stone park and they changed up the drag strip. Look at that suspension. The physics in this game are pretty decent. I think that's all the exploring I'm going to do on this map. We'll go over and see what we got on the rock crawling. Alright, we are here at the rock park. Can't have it on without it. We'll see how far we can get into a drive. I feel like these tires, definitely the best all around tires, and look the best as well. one of the harder stages to this, so we'll go on a little bit. Boost. Oh, that was easy. And what's good about this build's a little more realistic as the one of those gigantic monster trucks. This is a very good. That's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Enjoy the game.